Hi, I'm Mark, and today I'm going to show you an amazing device that people of Gaza use to generate vast amounts of high-calorie, nutritious food in one of the most arid places on Earth, in the middle of a war zone. And I'm also going to reveal the shocking reason why over 160,000 homeowners across the U.S. already have one installed in their backyards, their homes, and even in their basements, built on the same innovative design, and how you too can have one up and running by the end of the day, supplying you and your family with all the good food you'll ever need. And it's all because of what NASA is predicting. A once-in-a-thousand-year event, the 100-year-long mega drought. And it's already here. California is just the beginning. Freshwater reservoirs like Lake Mead or the Ogallala Aquifer are already at all-time lows. But it isn't just the drought. Add corporate greed, political unrest, and corruption to the mix, and you get the perfect stage for a social and economic time bomb that's ready to detonate right in the middle of our country. Something investment bankers, financial experts, and survival masters call the three horsemen of the food apocalypse, bringing with them a deadly social and economic crisis with immediate effects on your ability to feed your family. That's why this amazing food generator changes everything, because you only need 10 square feet to provide your family with all the high-calorie, GMO-free, nutrient-filled foods they'll ever need. And you can do that anywhere. Palestinians actually have them on rooftops, balconies, and even underground in cellars. And it's all natural because the principle behind this life-saving device is actually found everywhere in nature. Animals and plants have been using it to survive and thrive for millions of years in perfect harmony. Now, with a bit of luck, I came across Alec, a wilderness survival expert. Now, the man who actually found and adapted those ingenious designs and made them work, helping thousands of people in the U.S. and me to secure our own on-demand food supply to provide fresh, organic, high-nutrient foods for our families, no matter how hard the mega drought and its fellow horsemen hit, all while saving thousands of dollars on grocery bills in the process. And that literally changed my life. Now, he named it the Pocket Farm, virtually a 10-square-foot Garden of Eden, a pocket-sized food generator that can be placed anywhere, so it's highly versatile and portable. It can cut your grocery bills while giving you peace of mind knowing that your family will never go hungry, no matter what might be heading our way. And the best of all, with this amazing design, you hardly need any water. There's no fertilization required and no back-breaking work. Now, actually, none of the usual hassles that come with traditional gardening. Now, only 3 minutes a day of harvesting vegetables or fresh fish, and that's it. It's cheap, easy to build, and it's easy to use. That's why over 160,000 homeowners across the U.S. alone are enjoying the benefits that come with this life-saving device. And the best thing is, you can have your own pocket farm up and running by the end of the day, so you too will be able to secure your personal, portable, on-demand, healthy food source to save money and protect your family and loved ones. So please, stick with me for the next 5 minutes, and my friend Alec will give you all the hushed-up details about this life-saving marvel, how it all started, and how almost getting lynched for providing fresh food for his family and his community drove him to research and adapt that ingenious design and make it work for pennies on the dollar right in his own backyard, invisible to greedy corporations, giving him all the good food his family will ever need.
Today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Pocket Farm so you'll be able to make the right decision about whether to buy Pocket Farm or not. Stay with me until the end of this video because I also have a very important alert. Pocket Farm is a very easy to follow aquaponics instruction plan and video guide anyone can use to build their high-yield food generator. Alec Deacon is the creator of Pocket Farm. He is a highly respected farmer and survivor. At Pocket Farm, he has put together simple instructions so you can provide fresh, healthy, and tasty meals for your family no matter what. The Pocket Farm aquaponics system uses less than 10% of the water used in conventional gardening because all the water is recycled between the aquarium and the beds. This also means that you'll get your investment back quickly because you no longer have to pay for water, especially if you live in a dry area. In addition, unlike regular gardening, with aquaponics, you will still have plenty of food in the cold months. And also there is no need for fertilization and there is no need for any bending or hard work required. Aquaponics also requires only about 10% of the space needed for gardening. Alec teaches everything step by step in a simple way in the Pocket Farm video guide. And more. Pocket Farm starts with the basics and provides all the information needed to become an aquaponics expert. This includes a walkthrough, a video guide, and a project that takes you by the hand and guides you through the process, so you can have healthy fish and fresh vegetables on your desk in less than 2 weeks and be fully self-sufficient and sufficient. Even though Alec tried to make the program as complete as possible, we know there may still be questions. That's why with the program you also get unlimited access to email where you can ask Alec about everything related to Pocket Farm. If you apply for the Pocket Farm program today, you will also receive some unique bonuses that will later be out of the question if you postpone. The first bonus you will get is how to build a water biofilter. With this special filtration system, your family will have hundreds of gallons of drinking water at their disposal. Second, you'll get surviving an economic collapse. It's a special report that will teach real-life survival lessons. And the third bonus, you will receive a guide of 27 items that you need to accumulate before a crisis. The program is fully digital, so you get instant access as soon as you purchase and can start immediately. If you want your family to be safe, healthy, and self-sufficient, the Pocket Farm approach is the answer. This mini garden is immune to natural disasters and will provide foods rich in protein and vitamins throughout the year. This small farm provides an abundance of the best organic fresh fruits, vegetables, and fish regardless of their location. It does not require long-term maintenance. Even people with back problems or the elderly should have no problems mounting the device. About the price, Pocket Farm costs $39. This value is with a special discount for a limited time. Remember that you will have immediate access to the program. And the best part is that if you don't like the program, you have a 365-day money-back guarantee. No hassles, no questions asked. But pay attention to what I have to say, Pocket Farm is only available on its official website. Avoid buying a fake product and losing your money. To help you, I left the official website link in the description of this video. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them here in the comments, and I will be happy to answer. Have a good day.